Whoa, Aaeytby, I'm gonna spell their brand name, but Aaeytby was nice enough to send me this wall charging outlet. So this is basically an outlet that you plug into a wall outlet. Funny, but the main thing that this is intended for is for blink security cameras, I think. So that is the main reason. However, I want to look at it and see if you can use it for other things, because I think it might just be a USB-C charger. So first things first, we got a little separate bag. So it looks like instructions. It's actually a little bit of a, oh wait, yeah, I think it is instructions. Basically, I think what's compatible and what they have options for. And then are these, I don't know what these are. Are they little stickers? Maybe there's not sure. Let me pull them out. I'm just as confused as you are, so feeling them, yeah, it looks like those are stickers. So probably has something to do with sticking it onto the wall or something along those lines. But other than the charger itself, which again, pretty sure that's USB-C, there's nothing else included. So feels pretty good, actually. Doesn't feel cheap, I would say. Solid to the feel, and yeah, prongs. So let's find an electrical outlet and plug this in. Okay, so here's an electrical outlet. We'll plug this in. So doesn't look like anything out of the ordinary is happening. Just in case you can't tell, there's like a, I don't know, quarter, half-inch kind of divot there in the charger. I have my headphones, AirPods, which do not fit, but I want to see if I can get anything else to fit in here. Okay, so I grabbed actually this receiver for some lav mics that I have, and let's see if plugging that in. So if you see, yeah, so it is charging down there. So this is capable of charging USB-C things. So you could use it besides blink cameras, but again, blink cameras and those products are definitely what this is intended for. If you can't tell, I don't have one, but I do have a lot of stuff that uses USB-C charging. So I think if you want to have maybe something specific, like for, I don't know, maybe something like this, like a receiver that you use a lot that needs to be charged, that you need in a specific spot, this is a good idea to at least maybe look into. But I do think it is worth for sure looking at, like, you know, the dimensions. It's like pretty tight in there, so make sure that whatever you're using is not only like able to fit this way, but also this way, and you know, all the dimensions and stuff. So yeah, it works. Great fit for blinks, I'm pretty sure, but also works for other things.